Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Sebring, FL. How Ozempic is revolutionizing weight loss in Sebring. Are you tired of trying every fad diet and exercise regimen to shed those extra pounds without any success? Look no further, as Ozempic is here to change the game of weight loss. This FDA-approved medication has been proven to aid in significant weight loss and help individuals achieve their desired body goals. What makes Ozempic unique is its active ingredient, semaglutide, which targets the brain's appetite receptors to reduce hunger and increase the feeling of fullness. This results in fewer cravings and a decreased desire to overeat, leading to sustainable weight loss. But that's not all. Ozempic also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an ideal option for individuals with type 2 diabetes who struggle with weight management. The secret weight loss solution of Sebring's elite. Ozempic has become the go-to weight loss solution for Sebring's elite, including celebrities and high-profile individuals. Its efficacy has been proven time and again, with numerous success stories flooding in from all corners of the city. Not only has Ozempic helped individuals lose weight, but it has also boosted their confidence and improved their overall quality of life. Imagine feeling comfortable in your own skin and being able to wear your favorite clothes without any hesitation. That's the power of Ozempic. So why wait? Join the elite of Sebring and start your weight loss journey with Ozempic today. A safe and effective weight loss solution. Unlike traditional weight loss medications, Ozempic is a safe and effective option that doesn't come with any harsh side effects. It has been extensively tested and approved by the FDA, making it a reliable choice for individuals looking to lose weight without compromising their health. Moreover, Ozempic is easy to use and can be self-administered once a week through a small injection. This means you don't have to worry about taking multiple pills every day or visiting your doctor frequently. So why put your health at risk with unsafe weight loss methods when you have Ozempic at your disposal? The key to sustainable weight loss. Ozempic isn't just a temporary solution to weight loss. It's a long-term solution that promotes sustainable weight loss. Unlike crash diets or extreme exercise regimens that can lead to weight gain once you stop them, Ozempic helps you maintain a healthy weight even after you stop taking it. By reducing your appetite and regulating your blood sugar levels, Ozempic helps you develop healthy eating habits that you can sustain for the rest of your life. This means you don't have to worry about gaining back all the weight you lost once you stop taking Ozempic. So if you're looking for a weight loss solution that guarantees long-term results, Ozempic is the way to go. Unleash your full potential with Ozempic. Ozempic isn't just about losing weight. It's about unleashing your full potential and becoming the best version of yourself. With Ozempic, you can achieve your desired weight and feel confident in your own skin. But that's not all. Ozempic also helps improve your overall health and well-being by regulating your blood sugar levels and reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This means you can lead a healthier and happier life. So why settle for mediocrity when you can unleash your full potential with Ozempic? The ultimate weight loss solution for Sebring. Ozempic is the ultimate weight loss solution for Sebring, and it's not hard to see why. Its unique formula, coupled with its safety and efficacy, has made it the go-to option for individuals looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. So whether you're a high-profile individual or just someone looking to shed a few pounds, Ozempic is the answer to your weight loss woes. Join the thousands of satisfied customers and start your weight loss journey with Ozempic today. All about Sebring, FL. If you desire to take the first step towards a healthier, much more certain you, after that currently is the time to sign up for our Ozempic fat-burning program. Our program is created to aid you reach your Ozempic weight loss objectives in Florida while offering you the assistance and understanding you need to be successful. From personalized dish plans to individually coaching, our program is customized to your private needs. So don't wait any type of longer. Sign up now and begin on your trip to a healthier, happier you. Ozempic is a prescription medication used for weight loss in adults with obesity or overweight. It contains semaglutide, which is a glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, receptor agonist. The medication is administered once a week via subcutaneous injection. Ozempic works by reducing appetite and improving insulin sensitivity, leading to weight loss. Clinical studies have shown that Ozempic can help patients lose an average of 12–14% of their body weight over a year. The medication is approved for use in conjunction with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. It is not recommended for use in individuals with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid carcinoma or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. Ozempic may cause common side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and decreased appetite. Other possible side effects include pancreatitis, hypoglycemia, and allergic reactions. Patients should monitor their blood sugar levels regularly while taking Ozempic. It is important to inform your healthcare provider about any other medications or supplements you are taking before starting Ozempic. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid the use of Ozempic. Ozempic may interact with other medications, so it is important to inform your healthcare provider of all medications you are taking. Patients should follow their healthcare provider's instructions for dosing and administration of Ozempic. Ozempic may increase the risk of thyroid cancer, so patients should have regular thyroid exams. Patients should seek medical attention immediately if they experience symptoms of pancreatitis, such as severe abdominal pain and nausea. Ozempic may also increase the risk of kidney damage, so patients should have regular kidney function tests. Patients should not stop taking Ozempic without consulting their healthcare provider. Regular exercise and a healthy diet are essential for maximizing the weight loss benefits of Ozempic. For those living in Wilton Manors, Florida in search of an Ozempic weight loss clinic, AngelicLifeTrio.com is the perfect answer. Find exactly what you're looking for with the click of a mouse to their available Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Wilton Manors, Florida, to give you the results you're wanting to get started on your weight loss journey today.